Hi, I'm Rio Cherry and I CEO and founder of GetPeople. We joined FasterCapital's LaunchUp program in May 2025. Through the program, we received detailed review reports that helped us improve our pitch, monetization model, and overall strategy. The feedback gave us clear direction on how to present our startup to investors more effectively. We are currently raising between $150,000 and $500,000 to launch monetization and scale the product. Thanks for the team's support. We feel much more confident in our fundraising money. Thank you.